Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Samsung microphone not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are a few things that you need to do here to solve this issue. So in this case, first things first is you want to restart your phone. So in this case, just restart your Samsung device here. So hold the power button, tap restart, and just wait for it to reboot. Now, in this case, sometimes this works or helps a lot. So in this case, restarting is the first thing that you should be doing. Next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to clear the app cache. Now, in this case, you may want to try resetting the app that's having mic problems. So usually it's the phone app, but this works for apps like Messenger, Snapchat, or any app here that uses your mic. So what you need to do is you want to pull the notification shade and tap the gear icon to open settings. Now, you want to go to apps, then scroll and tap on the app you're using, like for example, phone, and just tap force stop here and then hit on OK. Next is you want to go to storage and then tap clear cache and clear data. Now once you've done that, see if that helps. Next thing that you may want to do is you want to also check your microphone permissions. So you may want to go to your settings, then apps, then tap the three dots at the top right, then go to permission manager. Now you want to go and click on microphone, and then you want to go ahead and look for the app you're using like Messenger or Snapchat or whatever here. Just make sure it is set to allow here. Now test your mic and see if that actually helps. And the following thing that you could try doing here is you may want to check your Bluetooth and headphones. Now, this part is important, so your phone might be trying to use a Bluetooth device or wired headphones instead of your own mic. So make sure no Bluetooth headsets are connected and turn off Bluetooth just to be sure. And if you've used a wire earphones, in this case, or you have like, for example, you have them plugged in, or in this case, you want to unplug them a couple of times. Sometimes your phone thinks you're still plugged in, even they're not. But yeah. Now, if this does not work, if none of this actually work, chances are the issue is hardware related. That could be mean that mic itself is damaged or something inside it isn't functioning properly. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF the Inspo. Thank you for watching.